going to do is I'm going to go over how to replace the battery in your AirTags. So this is my Apple AirTag. I actually have 4 of these things, but I bought this one about a year and a half ago, and I got it on my key ring here, and that's the key ring that I use it on right there. I have that, and what I did, I got a notification on my phone that my battery was going dead. So what I figured I would do, I'd show you how to replace these, and the ones I'm going to use is the Energizer. These are the best ones I could find. The 2032 Energizer lithium batteries. These are the 3-volt batteries. You can see right there, and to take them out, you know what? I'm just going to pull one out right here. It looks like what this is, it came in a little package that's sealed together. Let me get a pair of scissors. Okay, you see how it's opening up there. Push that aside. So the battery is a 2032 and it's 3 volts. And let me show you how you're going to replace your AirTag battery. What you're going to do is take this, mash down, and then turn it. Did y'all see that? So you down and turn, and you see exactly how it came out right here. So think about it this way. The little texture side needs to be facing upward. Take that one out. You can see the plus. They actually made it pretty simple. They got a plus symbol down. There's the plus. Put that on there like that. That let me know the battery is installed. That's how simple that thing was. Was that not easy? That's the easiest thing ever. So everything, my AirTag is back to normal. Let me grab my phone and then test it real quick. Okay, I got my phone here. We're going to use the play sound, and let's try it. There you go. And then does it say how much battery's installed on this thing? You can enable the loss mode. I'm not going to show you the address, but let me look at it right here. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That was easy to install. You can see right there, this one's seen some miles. So if you're needing to get a battery, I recommend the Energizer 2032s, this 2-pack right here, or you can get a 4-pack, whatever you want to get, and that's what you use in these Apple AirTags. I've got a spare now for my other one when it gets, but I'm only going to change them when I get a notification that the battery's dead. I didn't get a notification until it was very close to dying. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Apple AirTag battery 2032s. See you all in the next video.